I decided to go to law school when I was in high school, and all I could dream about is being in the courtroom and scream, "Objection! Objection, Your Honor!" And then I graduated from law school, and the reality of practice has set in, especially as I went in-house. And in-house, I started reviewing documents and agreements. Many documents and agreements, red lines, black lines, whatever you call it, def, compare, tracks, whatever you call them, we cannot agree on names. And most importantly, I was buried in paperwork up to my neck, actually probably well above my neck, and I was buried big time. And sometimes when you redline documents during the day or lonely at night, yes, I've reviewed many documents in the middle of the night trying to make sense of what the heck is the other side saying, you would start thinking unflattering thoughts about the other side. That person of less than average intelligence, how could they come up with that? No way will they get this, they can just dream on. And that word that I cannot say, what the heck was he thinking? And sometime in my delusion in the middle of the night, I would put internal notes that somehow, occasionally, very rarely, make it to the other side. I can't tell you that I will never do it again. No, I may do it again, because should I read contracts in the middle of the night? That may indeed happen. However, there's a better way to do it, especially if you're using tools that you can be much more streamlined and much more efficient, effective, and collaborative. Perhaps you won't have to stay in the middle of the night, and perhaps even if you think of unflattering thoughts, they will not be part of your red line, black line, or whatever it is you do in the middle of the night with your documents.